Well, I'll admit it's upside down. I get it turned back up the other way. Might as well just go ahead and turn it in for grade right there. You know, what you see is what you get. As the critic would summarize, look at it straight up and down, sideways, plummet through at an angle. I think I just kind of studying about it. It's coming up on the end of the week and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that in for grade there up to now. Yeah, I done already been listening to the radio most of the day. Pretty much up to where I'm at right now. From here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center or something they say. They call me Shop Dog Sam here on the YouTube. Y'all leave a comment, thumbs up, appreciate it. I'll fabricate something, still in the thinking state. Fabricate something to come up, accommodate a couple of shafts. You might want to pull this circus wagon that's going to have that hit-and-miss engine on it right there. Hook your goat to it, small animal, pull it into prey. Just saying. I probably shouldn't show that there handwriting on that thing right there, but Elijah's done already drug in the. Is it a 1980?
80.
It's a nose wheel. I probably should put it on the YouTube.
Yeah.
Man, for real. Oh yeah, I can't show you that picture. I don't think you can do that artwork in a video.
Why?
X-ray. Well, would you classify this as cheek and chong car?
No, just traditional lowrider.
Oh yeah. I'm talking about. Got some hydraulics in there. For real. Cadillac tail lights. Oh yeah. It has a Cadillac dashboard in it. How cool is that? Is the steering wheel Cadillac also?
The steering column.
Oh yeah, tilt.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm here in Middle Tennessee. There's always an airplane here, ain't there?
Yep. If you're out here, you're gonna hear one.
The dude, gun pilot. You know, every time I hear a airplane go over, I think about the dude.
Yeah, you thinking maybe that's him flying over?
Yeah, buzz me. He could have been that plane went over did that barrel loop today.
Yeah.
Man, that'd be something. Just saying. I believe we'll be all right on that right there. As the project for today would be engine cart bolsters. This is the rear axle hangers. Cast iron, part missing, part broken completely off. Easy enough to repair these two parts. Could actually use the old axle part that I sawed off to get it out of the wheel. Actually could use that for a mandrel. Go ahead and weld that up right there. Just build it up as you go. You know, cut a length of tubing, some thick metal, bend it in a U shape, weld it on there. Several ways to repair these. But it's the outcome, it's how you want to go about to make the repair. I chose to cut these two plates One for one side, one for the other side right there. Will be affixed in the same manner to achieve the same dimensions. You know, just that's where it's going to be. So I think it's going on a year now getting around to this project. New, that's that 1-inch bar stock right there. 1018, I'm sure. Done already drilled the holes in it to the length of the original axle before I had to saw it off to get it out. Taking them measurements from the old part, size, distance from the end of the axle, transferred it over here. Now we got us a new keyway, a new cotter pin. I'll affix this to the engine rails, cart rails, with some, I think them's grade 8 right there, bolts there. We'll get them on there and see what it looks like. Well, after I debated with myself as to repair them two axle hangers right there for the rear of an engine cart, I decided to go in and fabricate these. So it's a shop built framework on the cart. The only part that was engine cart was these two hangers and the 4 wheels. So, and the wheels, well, from here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center or something they say. Shop Dog Sam. Leave a comment. Thumbs up even. Just saying. I'm here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center or something they say. Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all leave a comment, subscribe, pass it on to a friend. Thumbs up if you want to. Appreciate it now.